Hey friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to change the email address of your Telegram account. First you'll need to open your Telegram application. This is our account. Then at the bottom we are going to click on the settings. Then let's click on privacy and security. Here we are going to click on login email. So this is our email address, but it is hidden. We need to change the email. Here they want us to add the new email address. Then here we are going to click on this arrow icon after adding the email. Here they want us to add the 60-digit code which is sent to the email address we have filled. Guys, after filling the code, the whole process will be verified, and that's how you can change the email address on Telegram. Guys, that's all for today. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.